So see here, team. Once again, thanks to you all for joining today's Tri-Scientist Tosca demo session. Okay. So before proceeding further, I just want to check with you all. Is anyone came from non-IT background, like manual testing or non-IT? There's no knowledge on automation. Could you please raise your hands? Yes, Rani. What about
Yeah,
others?
me also, Anusha.
Okay. Okay. So can I get to a conclusion? Most of the people came from manual testing background and non-IT. Okay, that's great. See, someone is joined with a mobile name. Could you please rename yourself? Okay. So let me bring some points which is usable for to you all. The demo session point of view, I'll give a complete picture today. What is automation? And what we are going to discuss as part of this training, and how this help you to transition your career into Tosca automation. And if you are coming from completely a different background, like either manual testing background or non-IT background or any kind of automation background also, how you can transition your career into an automation, all those points we'll discuss today here. Okay. So let me introduce quickly myself, team. This is Anusha, Tosca trainer, having 12 plus years of experience. Right now, I'm working in one of the product-based companies. So simply, I can say I'm the real-time working faculty. Okay. So I'm working parallelly, and at the same time, I'm just giving a trainings in a institutes. Coming to my training experience, I do have almost 5 years of training experience. Last 5 years onwards, I'm teaching Tricentis, Tosca, and other test automation tools as well. Okay. And coming to the career opportunities, the team almost I trained so far, I think 5 to 10,000 people, and most of the people are settled in a topmost MNC companies and product-based companies also. And even the teams, they're working with me parallelly also with any kind of challenges they have in real time. They'll connect with me and I'll discuss with them personally one-to-one. See here, team, a very great job opportunities. My students placed in topmost MNCs and product-based companies. I have that much of strong alumni here. Okay. So this is a quick introduction about myself, team. Let me go with automation testing tool. Does anyone have any idea on test automation?
I have basic
Let us
knowledge,
go with the
Anusha.
basic points. What is testing, team? What is testing? Is anyone came from manual testing background? Could you please make it as an interactive session? Uh, then we can discuss one-to-one in detail while you guys are interacting with me. Okay. What is testing, guys?
Checking the quality of the product to ensure it meets the requirements and technical
Able to hear me,
aspects.
right, everyone? Okay. No worries. I'll give you the things. Testing is nothing but, team. We have to test the application. We are testers. Our job is here to test the application. Why testing is required? The developer build the application, but as a tester, you have to find the issues in an application. That is the main thing. We are doing testing the application to produce quality product. To produce a quality product. If you go any sector, either healthcare domain or any kind of sector, the testing is very, very a major and crucial point. Okay. Even AI agents also, we have to perform a testing on that. That is very important. Okay. Let us go with the basic to what is testing. Very simple. We are test the application to produce the quality product to the client. That is a testing. Testing, we have two categories. One is manual testing. Another one is automation testing. So in a manual testing team, two categories. Here, human interaction is required. What is mean by human interaction, Anusha? Very simple. If you go to an application, I'm just opening the Amazon. I just open the Amazon URL. Who opened this Amazon URL? I'm open the Amazon URL. Then I selected this drop down. Then I selected some kind of electronics here. Later, I entered some laptop info here, Dell laptop, i7th generation. I just entered some text here. Once I enter text here, I click on the search bar. This is what manual testing. Manual testing is nothing but as a person, you have to sit in front of the system. Then you have to test each and every feature. The user is able to select some option from the drop down or not. Yes, user able to select. Is user is able to enter some text or not? Yes, user is able to enter. Then click on search. So once hit the search, it is loading all the data which is there in the Amazon server. Yes, it is loaded. This is what a manual testing. This is what a manual testing. Human interaction is nothing but we are the tester. As a tester, you have to sit and then do test. That is a manual testing. Clear? So an example for manual testing, purchase fruits, nearest to store. If you want to purchase some fruits, Tim, what exactly we do? We simply go to the nearest store by walk, by bike, or by scooty, whatever it is. We just go there and then we select the respective fruits, which fruits you want, and then you do pay. And once the pay is done, we come back to the home. That is a manually we are doing, right? Tim, the manual points is clear. Please respond.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Not able to hear any one of your voice. Fine.
If we are speaking, Anush, ma'am, we're not audible. Hello.
Yes, you're audible now. Tell me.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
We are clear,
Yeah,
Anusha.
we are clear.
Okay.
Yes.
So let us coming to the automation point of heating. Now tell me, let us ignore about technical stuff. Okay. If you want to purchase online, do we have any option to purchase the fruits in online? Hmm? Do we have any applications over here?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. But
GeoMart,
market, online
Swiggy
application,
Market,
Geomart, DMart,
Instamart.
Instamart, Blinkit,
Jepto.
Stepto. Like this, we do have a lot of applications in the market. So as a user, you are just picking any one of these applications and then you are ordering the fruits within an online process. So which one is easier for us, either doing manually or doing automatically?
Automatically.
Automate.
Automatically.
Automatically. See here, team, why I'm giving this example to you. So must you should understand doing manual work or doing automation work, and based on this you can able to know what is the future opportunities. Is a manual tester, do we have any future, or automation point of we have a future? Yes, we have a future at automation point of view only. Okay now, so why I'm just giving this one, in the market we have these many possibilities. The similar way in automation testing also we do have a lot of tools in the market. Selenium, you guys heard about Selenium?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
FT, Tosca, Raft, and Worksoft,
Playwright.
Playwright. Like this, we have a lot of testing tools in the market. Lot of testing tools. So which one is suitable, Anusha? It completely depends upon the client team. Okay. So as a team lead, what I'll do, if any project is coming to us, I'll just perform the POC and I'll give demo back to the client. Demo back to client. Once the client is satisfied with the tool which I suggested, let us assume I suggested to client as a Tosca. If client is satisfied, then we'll get a project with a Tosca only. Understood? It's completely client pick. Okay. Now here, let us assume that client is choose the Tosca automation. Now here Tosca is coming to the picture. Tosca automation is coming to the picture. I'll give you the complete differences between these other automation tools with the Tosca, why Tosca is most popular in the market. Okay. Now, so Tosca is one of the test automation tool which is released in the year of 2009. That time it is released. Okay. And the parent company of Tosca is a Tricentis. Tricentis is the owner of the Tosca application, and they built the one of the test automation tool and they released to the market in the year of 2009. So right now the latest version which is running 2025.1. This is the latest version. Each year they release some versions team. So right now it is running 2025.1 version is running right now. And here the Tricentis team is observe the gap in a market. They just build the one of the a test automation tool. One of the test automation tool without coding. One of the automated tool team. So they release to the market to work to this particular tool. To work to this particular tool, no coding background required. No code background required because this test automation tool is completely code free.
Yes.
I can say it is a code free tool or zero code tool. Code free. You no need to learn any kind of programming languages to work with a test automation tool. That is a Tricentis Tosca. This is the one of the advantage. And another advantage is here, as a tester, it's not like a must to have a coding language. So if you are good at testing the scenarios with complicated areas, that is fine. So they keep in mind that word and they release one of the ultimate product, which is test automation with code free. No need to learn any kind of coding here. Simply you can interact with the application. Even the person came from completely a non-IT background and manual testing background, automation background, easily you can understand and you can proceed with your developments and all. Okay. It's a completely user-friendly test automation tool. User-friendly test automation tool. And one more advantage is here, team. What are the features we have in Tosca? If you want to work with a Tosca, what type of projects we can automate? Project is nothing but it is a kind of applications. What type of applications we can do our testing here? So that is a big
UI.
advantage. In a market, lot of people are adapting Tosca. Yes. Web-based applications. What are the applications we are just accessing via URL? Those are all applications we can automate. Next, desktop-based applications. SAP. SAP is one of the ERP sector related complete project. So SAP and Salesforce. Next, mobile-based applications we can do. Mainframes testing also we can do. And here API testing it's possible. Database testing it is possible. Snowflake testing, like whenever you come across detail kind of testing, Snowflake testing and a big data testing, that is also possible if using Tricentis tools. And all, obviously, we can automate here 250 types of applications. Okay, you can automate Oracle related applications, Microsoft Dynamics related applications. Yes. See, in the market, Tosca is the one and only tool. It is supporting completely these many application categories without coding. That is the biggest advantage. Without coding. Up to here, clarity?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Tosca.
The next one is here. This is a highlight points team. If you want me to explain like CI tools also. Tosca inbuilt providing to run the test case. What is CI/CD? CI/CD is
Continuous
nothing.
integration and continuous development.
Yes. If you want to run the test cases together, for example, I want to run 500 test cases within 2 days. Within 2 days. So without automation engineer, I want to run this one thing. I don't want to sit automation engineer in front of this system to run this scenario. I just want to run these things within 2 days over the night runs. That time we integrate the automated test cases into CI/CD tools. So in Tosca also we have two types. One is DEX execution, another one is elastic grid execution. These all are the inbuilt features of a Tricentis Tosca. If you don't want these inbuilt features, if you want to go with some other party tools like Jenkins and Litmus, Bambos, like this, you can integrate Tosca with other test automation tools also. I mean, test integration tools, CI/CD tools also. Clear up to here?
Yes.
So let me explain one more point here. Please listen carefully here. These parts are very important. I don't know if you may get chance to discuss these things in outside. One is Tosca on-prem. So Tricentis team is introduced two versions right now. One is Tosca on-prem, another one is Tosca cloud. Okay. See here, team, nowadays in interviews, most of the interviews they're asking, do you have any experience on cloud? Tosca cloud. It is a different one and this is a different one. Okay. So as part of this training, I'm just including the training part. As part of this training, what we are going to discuss. Okay, I'll mention here. So Tosca on-prem, these two applications I'll cover in this training section. One is on-prem application, another one is Tosca cloud. In Tosca, we have two categories. One is on-prem. That means it is a desktop application. So if you want to work with a Tosca Commander, the name of the application is here, Tosca Commander. So we required installation here. Desktop application is nothing but it is a kind of installation is required. Initially, I'll guide you guys to work with on-prem application. Okay, Tosca Commander. See, coming to Tosca Cloud, it is a software as a service, SaaS application, like Jira only. So how many guys have knowledge on Jira?
I do.
I do.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Jira is one of the software as SaaS application. So if you want to work with a Jira, what exactly that admin people do? Give access to
Access to Jira.
mail.
Yes.
So they just take your official company mail ID and they'll give access to the respect to Jira. Then you are able to log in with your credentials within your system. The similar way, Tricentis team also introduced one of the feature that is a Tosca Cloud. It is a software as an application. You don't require any installations here. Directly you can access this one with the URL. Okay. So here also it is supporting all these application categories and there is no code. Understanding these 2 points?
Yes.
And in application point of view, team, in on-prem level, I'll explain to you web applications, desktop applications, APIs, database, and SAP project. SAP end-to-end flow project with including distributed all CI/CD tools, everything I'll explain here. Once we explain here, the same thing you can do practice at a cloud also. Okay. Same thing you can do practice at a cloud level also. Is this point clear?
Yes, Anisha.
Yes.
Yes.
The next point is here. In Tosca on-prem, your launch CI/CD tools, the tool is here distributed. Dex. Dex you can learn within a Tosca on-prem. But in the cloud, here it is one of the things is introduced, that is elastic grid execution. What is that? Elastic grid execution. So nowadays the interviews, they're asking what is elastic grid execution? Do you have any experience on this? They're asking this.
Yeah, Anusha, sorry to interrupt. So what is Dex?
Dex is nothing but distributed execution, CI/CD tool.
Oh, okay.
The
No, I
above,
think I think
That
in
is for
market,
right? Yes.
sorry, I think in
parallel
market,
execution.
Please keep in mute. Yes, Narsimha.
sorry. So I think in market there are multiple tools are available for CI/CD, like
Yes.
Docker or Jenkins or GitHub.
These
So
all
for
are the inbuilt features, sir. Inbuilt
oh, in
features of Tosca.
Tosca, okay, sure.
These all are the completely inbuilt. You no need to go with any other payment kind of thing. Okay. If you
Sure.
do Tosca subscription, automatically you'll get these features. One is Tosca distributed execution and Elastic. If you don't want to go with this, if you want to go with the integration with some other kind of CI tools, like a third party tools, that is possible. As you said, Jenkins and others, it is
Azure.
possible.
So Dex is for parallel execution, isn't it?
Yes. Dex is for parallel execution. Even we use the Jenkins and all also same way, right?
Yeah.
That is possible. This is inbuilt in Tosca team. That is the reason I just highlighted this one. Because if you're looking Tosca opportunity, make sure they'll ask you, do you have experience on Dex execution? The shortcut is here, Dex. Okay. Do you have experience on Dex execution? Do you have experience on elastic grid execution? They may ask these things. So as a trainer, I just want to give 100% to you all. And once you learn 100%, maybe in real time, you may get a 40% of work only. But I just want to discuss each and everything here in detail. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
Anusha.
Yeah, it's clear.
So the next point is here, team. Two more things also there. So as part of this entire training, we are covering Tosca Cloud, Tosca On-Prem. These two things we are covering. So in Tosca On-Prem, that means Tosca Commander level. In Tosca Commander level, what are the AI features we have? What are the AI features we have? The AI features to Vision AI, Copilot, and Agentic AI. Okay. So recently, Tricentis team is introduced MCP server also. I'll explain that also. Just intro of MCP server. Getting? If you want to work with these all AI features, so listen carefully. If you want to get a real-time hands-on on this AI feature, we require Tosca Cloud. We require Tosca Cloud. Without Tosca Cloud, if you want to do this practice in the commander, that is not possible. Is my point clear? Let me repeat. To work all these AI features in a Tosca commander, to work all these AI features into Tosca commander, we required Tosca Cloud. If Tosca Cloud is activated for you, then you can able to get a hands-on here. That is what I'm telling, hands-on here. Clear? That is the reason I'm just giving these two combinations. So
Yes,
why
Anusha.
Why I'll tell you here. Let me show you. This is my Tosca commander. Okay. In the commander, here you can see everyone able to see Tosca agentic test automation. If you click on this agentic test automation, in the right, it will open the automation feature. Okay. But if you want to connect to this automation feature, everyone able to see one name, it is displayed. Tosca Cloud Tenant name. Everyone able to see?
Yeah.
Yes, Anisha.
See, without knowing Tosca Cloud, you may not able to proceed with the hands-on experience on these features within a commander. It's not possible. If you want to get a hands-on, we require Tosca Cloud. That is the reason I'm just teaching these two things together. Is my point clear, team? So if we have a Tosca Cloud, I'll give you Tosca Cloud access almost 1 month team. So you can take a Tosca Cloud access and then activate all these AI features and then do practice these AI features with the Tosca Commander and Tosca Cloud. Both the levels you can do.
So Anusha, this AA is included in this training part, is it right?
Yes, it is included. I'm just giving a practical training on this.
Okay. Sure.
It's not like a theoretical what is what. It's completely hands-on experience.
Sure.
And here, team, Tosca on-prem, Tosca cloud, both are licensed tools only. Licensed only. So here, this Tosca commander, we are giving a training 6 months. Coming to here, Tosca cloud, we are giving 1 month. So obviously, you are getting access to Tosca commander 7 months. You can use this Tosca cloud license to Tosca commander also. Clear? You don't need to worry about installations or license activations and all. Obviously, we'll take care here and we'll give you the complete information to you all. The licensing part is clear?
Yes.
Anisha, license only we will get 6 months.
So these two things. In the commander, will initially will activate for 6 months. Okay. So when I started Tosca Cloud, here we give 1 month. The Tosca Cloud license you can use for Tosca Commander also. That is also possible. That is the reason I mentioned here 7 months ultimately. 6 months plus 1 month, total 7 months still. Okay.
Okay.
And these all are the things we are going to discuss, like what are the CI/CD tools I mentioned and what kind of projects we are going to discuss. I mentioned the application categories also I mentioned here, and AI features also I mentioned. So one more thing is pending. What is that? Certifications. Okay. Certifications from Tricentis company. Certifications from Tricentis company. So see here, team, it is a completely licensed tool, right? Tricentis team is giving a certification to the employees who are qualified to the exam. Okay. What certifications here it is available? AS1, AS2, Automation Specialist Level 1, Level 2, Test Data Specialist Level 1 and Level 2, Automation Engineer Level 1 and API. So see here, right now in 2023 year, January onwards, okay, I think 23 or 25, I think 25, seems 23 only. 2023 January onwards team, they are just giving badges to these certifications. Only badges they are giving. What about previous, Anusha? Previously, they give a PDF file directly. You are certified on Automation Specialist 1, you are certified in Automation Specialist 2, Automation Specialist 3, like this. We get, before 2023, we get a PDFs. But right now, in 2023 year and above version onwards, they just added only badges. If you want the certificate, here one certificate is that is completely product consultant certificate. So see here, I'll completely guide you how to clear all these 6 certifications. Okay, you will get guidance from me. I'll guide you to clear all these certificates. Then what about product consultant, Anusha? See, 20 up to 2025 December 31st. Okay, we are supported. Is supported to clear this exam. To clear the exam. I just provided support to clear this exam directly. But here, what happened, 2026 January onwards, the complete product exam process is changed. Product exam process is changed. What is the process they added? They just added completely all these things. Tim, I'll show you those process related one. This is a certificate. So as of now, this certificate is free of cost only. Free of cost only. You no need to pay any amount to do this certificate. It's completely a free of cost. But here, Tim, the taking examination for this particular product consultant, the flow is changed. So they just added a protractor. So whenever you are doing taking, so everything is in track. They're just tracking your screen, they are tracking your video, and they are tracking your talking, background noise, and all. Everything is added here directly. Okay. So taking with certification with to getting support is also quite difficult here. Let me show you that also. If I go here, see here. Before begin the examination, please, this is a final exam. This is included for product on-prem. You can able to see Tricentis Tosca on-prem product consultant. And totally we have 2 attempts, Tim. So initially, previously 3 attempts are there. Right now we have only 2 attempts. First attempt, let us assume you attempted first one. Let us assume, Tim, if you fail, they're allowing you to do second attempt. Even if your second attempt is also failed, then you have to wait 1 month to take the third attempt. Getting? That is the info here mentioned. Let me show you the examination policies also. This is the policy examination tip. Total 90
So
minutes.
only 3 attempts final, Anusha?
Yeah. So here you can see the extension opening books does not allowed, scratch papers not allowed, reading exam material loud is also not allowed, mobile phone, tablet uses is also not allowed, capturing, recording exam materials is also not allowed. So at the time of taking an exam, probably they take your profile picture and your screen share and your ID, either ID, Aadhaar card or PAN card or any kind of driving license. And even they ask you to share complete your room scanning. So once all these things are accepted, then only you are able to start the examination. So this kind of protractor is added January month at first onwards. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll give you the dump of questions here to take this product consultant from your side. But I can give support to clear all the 6 certificates. Clear all of you?
Yes, Anish.
And so those 6 certificates also for those exams also so are they paid?
Definitely, I'll guide you completely. Certification program we have separately. I'll discuss each and every points there in detail.
Okay, sure.
So this certifications is also included as part of my training team. I can support you to clear all the 6 certificates. Okay. So right now there is no physical certificate is not added for Tosca Cloud, and even the badge is also not added for Tosca Cloud. If they added maybe in the first quarter of this year, I'll just check and I'll update back the latest information. So far, any questions? What points we are going to discuss as part of this training? Any questions on this table structure team?
Hi Anusha, this is Shrikant here.
Yes, Sheikh.
Will you provide running notes or will you provide any PDF notes?
Running notes plus PDF notes, both.
And any video recordings also?
Yes. You'll get running notes and PDF notes and video recordings. Let me add one by one. So it's very easy for you to check. Video recordings team, assignments, like installation files. I'll show you for one of my previous batches, okay? Here you can see this is assignment sheet and some of the customized modules creations in Tosca, the customized modules, interview questions and answers. This is the project sections and SAP installation process and installer guides. And this is a schedulers. So how to schedule the overnight and all the related informations you can get into one Word document. Like within the drive folder, the material point of view you'll get here. So this Word document, it is a kind of running notes. You can see how my running notes look like. So, okay, I'll just explain each and every point in detail with, if required, I'll attach some screenshots also over here. What things we are going to discuss as part of this training. Each and every point, it should clear. This is the running note. Okay. And questions also. You can see what is the questions and how many answers we have. Totally what ways we have. Almost if you see this document, 130 pages of document is there. 130 pages. This is the running notes. Okay, don't think this is the final doc. This is the running notes. The another thing, I'm just maintaining all these PDF documents into one location. This is the daily class notes. Concept-wise PDFs here. For example, if you're working with the browser operations. Once I explain the browser operations, I'll give you this document to you. So go with the browser operation, what features it is there, and how to launch each and everything, along with some screenshots and questions and answers. As part of this particular concept, what type of questions it might trigger in a interviews. That kind of material also I'll give you. Clear?
Yeah, hi Anusha.
Yes, sir.
So are we going to consider SAP application or a Salesforce application for this
Any
Tosca?
applications.
Mhm.
For Tosca point of view, for SAP, I'll just choose the GUI, graphical user interface.
Mhm.
This is one thing I already added that installation in the drive folder. You can see here the installer file. This is the GUI. And I think today morning only I just checked with the team for the SAP Fiori license. 1 second, it is a guidance kind of thing. This is a SAP Fiori trial version, S4HANA. Okay. So if you want to take a trial version, you can take the trial version and give your business mail ID and then click on next. Once you enter the details, let me enter my mail ID right now. Once you click on next, here you can see the verify email terms and all. Once you set up all these things, you were able to get this particular free trial for 1 month. You can do practice on this SAP also. See, what I'll do entire this training point of view, I am here to give you the path. Okay. Using this particular path, you can pick any applications. I'm not specific to this application. So here you can pick any application, either web applications or desktop applications or Amazon or any kind of SAP applications and all. You can pick and do practice. So what I'm going to do, the workflow, what are the workflow we are learning here? This particular workflow is common for all projects. Common for all projects. I'm not entering specific project category here. What are the workflow we are learning here, like how to resolve the challenges and all. The workflow is completely common for all projects. You can take any application, the workflow is same. Understand? So I am here to help you out to understand the workflow, the clear things and the challenges, how to resolve the challenges and all. For practice purpose, you can take any applications and do practice. If you are coming or facing any kind of challenges, let me know. We can discuss all the things one by one. Here, team, I am here to help you completely real-time challenges with examples. If you are doing practices, different applications, if you are getting some challenges, yes, we can discuss those points also.
So, Anusha, what is the real-time project that will work on while you are
Directly,
helping
you
me?
can work on your particular project. See here, team. Real time, we do have a lot of projects. Okay. How we are working in real time, the similar way we work, we do in a training session. We do in a training session. Here you will get some kind of projects from my side. One is SAP and insurance project and some kind of web application projects. Okay.
Okay, Anusha.
So once you learn this complete Tosca with me, then you can keep your projects in your resume because you know complete workflow, how to work with the Tosca and go with the interviews. I'll guide you complete team, like the mock interviews, what mock interviews, and they'll ask the mock interviews included and sample resumes. ATC friendly resumes also, how to prepare ATC friendly resumes and all, it is included as part of this training.
Mock interviews you will be taking, Anusha. Okay.
So the mock interviews, we have two approaches. One thing, AI interview. So our AI agent is there. They directly take the interview from you. That is completely a video interview. So, and if you're not good at this AI interview, then we allocate one of the panel to you. They'll take the mock interview directly while sharing the Zoom call. Clear?
Yes. So 2 rounds, if you want to attend like two levels of mock interviews, 2 rounds of interviews also we can take, right?
Yes, it is possible. So once the interview is completed, we'll share that recording with you. Just go through the recording and what are the drawbacks or phases in an interview, just rectify that and attend second interview also. We'll give you one particular calendar to you guys so you can book the slot, and based on this slot, available faculty or panel will connect with you to take a mock interview. Okay. Seem clear?
Like, are there any openings or like any references will you be sharing, Anusha? Your trainers or faculty will be sharing if there are any openings in any company.
I'll show you here. Okay. One second, I'll just show you directly here. We have directly one of the ERP system that is still in development. Probably by this week or next weekend, that is in a production. In that level, you can able to find the previously only I just opened. Yes. This is the product. Okay. Just log in with the I'll just show you the career opportunities here directly. Okay. As a student, you will get access to all these career access to. So where career portal is there directly, we have one of the career portal. Here you can see the number of jobs and placements which is there in the Naukri and all. Even the faculty also there directly they add one of the job placement here. If the company they are hiring, they'll add details here. You'll get directly to your complete LMS level. You don't need to go with any other Naukris in LinkedIn or no. So what are the jobs it is there? You directly see here. Okay. Clarity. That is possible. We are providing completely the LMS, the Tri-Scientist, our next IT team is providing complete 360-degree LMS related to one application. You don't need to worry. We can give you access to you that all. Any questions, team? So far, what points we are going to discuss as part of this training? Is everyone clear or any questions for me? Please go ahead.
Is there any Q test related sessions also there?
Q test.
Yes.
Q test I'm not included. So if you want me to explain like Q test integrations and all, I'll tell you. Okay. So the integrations part included here, team, that is the Tosca Commander to Tosca Cloud integrations. Tosca Commander to Cloud integration. You can integrate all of your test cases, what you've done in the Commander to Cloud. That integration I can discuss with you. So along with that, if you want me to discuss like the Q-test integration, that is also done. What is Q-test and what is the purpose of it is, and why Tri-Scientist team is introduced, and how it is useful for the Tosca. Q-test along with that, if you are required like GitHub integration also, we can do that. Okay. Team clear?
Yes, Anusha. So, Anusha, like I'm having automation experience, okay, Selenium experience. After this training, I can put Tosca real-time project
Yes.
experience in the CV, right? Apart from that.
Yes. So see here, team, we are helping you to understand complete Tosca with real-time examples. So based on those examples experience, you can keep at least 3 to 4 years of Tosca experience. That kind of knowledge I can share here. It is completely real-time knowledge sharing. Okay. Accordingly, you can also work with that. I just explained today what we are going to discuss and what are the applications categories it is involved here. Tomorrow, initially, I'll start the training with a Tosca on-prem application. This on-prem is nothing but it is a Tosca commander. Okay. Once you install the commander, this is the commander file, how to work with that and what is the framework and what are the automation frameworks. It is each and everything we can discuss in detail in the coming classes. Clear?
Yes.
Good. So tomorrow, what I'll do, tomorrow I'll take one example. You can suggest me any of the applications. I can take one example and I'll show you how to develop the test case in Tosca Commander. Okay. So completely a drag and drop process only. You don't need to develop any kind of code. Even the single piece of code also not required. Single piece of code also not required. So Anusha, at any chance if the team is asked, no, not at all required. The simple one is here, team drag and drop options only. Just do drag and drop into one particular location, one location to another location. So here, what is the framework? I'll tell you the framework part, modular framework, and the project creations. Initially, as training point of view and real-time point of view, how the projects are created by the managers and clients. And the similar way, I'll explain to you, create a project for practice purpose also. Once we create the project, I'll explain to you the modular framework and the commander sections and drag and drop activities. Clear all these things?
So, Anusha, can you just give a small demo of how this actually works?
Yes. So see here, this is the Tosca commander. Okay. So once you open the Tosca commander, here you can see different tabs: home, view, versioning, modules, API testing, and add-ons. In a home tab level, if you click on this one, the project icon, this is your main project. Able to see what is your main project here? Ecom project. Able to see?
Yeah.
Within this ecom project, you can see some sub-projects. This is NVP Commerce. This is Amazon project, Myntra, SAP, API, Orange HRMI. Like this in real time also, within main project, we have some sub-projects like this. In real time also. Okay. And
Okay.
here, module creation. Major workflow is here, very simple. First, create the module. And then drag and drop that module to test case. And then execution list. So this is a dragging and dropping process. You can drag and drop your test cases to module to test case to execution. This is the workflow. This workflow is completely common for all projects. Okay. So what exactly we are doing here? We just what are the actions we are doing manually? We are just giving those all actions to the automation tool. So for example, this is the Amazon tool. In Amazon, I just gathered some kind of controls. Let me show you directly with the scanning approach. Very simple flow I'll show you. I'm just opening the Chrome. So in the Tosca point of view, everything is in a scanning mechanism only. Just do right click here, scan application. Why scanning is required? I'll show you that. If I want to develop the test case, we required address of the element, correct? I'm just creating one new test case here. This is the new test case. In the new test case, let's make it as a Amazon search. In this Amazon search, what is the first step we have to perform? Opening the application URL. Opening application URL is common for all web-based application. For that, we have a standard module. Let me make it as a separate window. We have a standard module for that. Engines, HTML. Here you can see open URL. Drag and drop this open URL option here to here. Just drag and drop. Once you drag and drop, enter the application URL. That's it. Now you are done with the first step, launching the application URL. Clear this?
Yes.
Next. Once you launch the URL, what exactly we do in a web application? We used to enter some search text here. Okay. If you want to enter some search here, we require the search box related information. In a Selenium and other automation tools, we used to write a CSS path, XPath and all to identify this one uniquely. But in Tosca, the process is very simple. The process is here, scanning mechanism. Go to the module, right click on module, scan application. Why we are scanning application? Because we required the search box related information. If you want to ask Tosca to enter some text in the search box, first we have to give search box related information in the module section. Select the application, click on scan. Here, you can see This is the drop down option. This one. And here search Amazon. And this one go. I just selected these 3 checkboxes. Once I selected these 3 checkboxes, you can see the bottom, you can see one option, the selected item is unique. You don't need to spend here much time to identify the controls uniquely. Okay. You don't need to write a CSS or XPath. Such a kind of things not at all required. Usually in a Selenium, Playwright and other automation tools, we used to write a XPath or CSS path to identify the controls. But in Tosca, we don't have that hectic thing. It's very simple. Just scan, select the control, which controls you want. It automatically show you the selected controls are unique or not. These all are unique. Once these are unique, save the module. Clear this option, scanning approach.
Yes.
We used to scan this one too. Once you do a scanning of this one, simply close this option. If you go back to the module, you can see one module is created. This module is holding, one is drop down, another one is text box, go is the button. Select this module, drag and drop this module, drop here and expand it. So which section you want, you can directly select from the drop down. You no need to scan this list of items separately, team. Automatically it can add here directly. Just select which one you want. I want to go with the electronics right now. Electronics. So here I'm just choosing Dell laptops. Then click on go button. That's it. So this is the normal flow. I just entered 2 steps. One is open URL. Then once launching the application, select electronics, then enter Dell laptops, then click on go. So, okay, let me do a run. Once you click on go team, directly close the browser. I'm just closing the browser immediately. For close also, we have a predefined standard module. You no need to go with a separate thing. In a close browser level, title is there, right? Once you enter here, Dell laptops. So what is the title of this tab? Able to see my highlighted area? What is the title of the tab?
Amazon Dell laptops.
Amazon.in
Dell laptops.
Dell laptops. Okay, enter the same title in a closed browser. Instead of entering complete name, just enter Amazon and use here asterisk symbol. Regular expression asterisk here. This is the very 3 steps of implementation. The first implementation, opening URL. Second implementation, entering some text here. The third implementation, closing the browser. Clear, team? Are you guys able to see any code in here?
No.
Anusha, username and password will we pass here only or from any file?
What is that?
Username and password for login to Amazon account.
We have to perform those steps. I'm not included here right now.
Okay.
If I want to include those username password also, I have to move cursor here, mouse over or click here. Then go to here. This is the sign in page. Again, create one more module here and then click on continue. For login scenario, I'm not explained here. I just explained only the search functionality. For login also same. Create module, drag and drop and do the actions here directly. Can I do a run now? I'm just creating the browser category. Browser is equal to, I'm just using Chrome browser here. Come back here. I'm just closing Chrome browser. See here team, once we're done with the development, simply do right click, run in Scratch. Then it automatically interact to the application. Please observe here. Are you guys able to see open URL is open? Electronics is selected and then laptops is also entered. Later, it perform click operation on the go button. Is everyone able to see?
Yeah.
Yes.
So once you're done with execution, you can take the report also. For example, here, are you able to see print report? So in Tosca is providing a 3 type of reports team. One is print report. You can take the report of your test case overview. And another one is in the search bar. Let me show you. In the scratchbook window also, you can take the report. This is the scratchbook window, right? Here also you can take the report, right click. Print report, it is not there. So here also we have a possibility to pick the report finder. So this patchbook kit is a kind of debugging tool. We are just performing a debugging action. To run the test case final, we have one of this section that is a execution section here. Within this execution section, create a checkout. Why I'm doing every time checkout? Because initially the project itself, it has only read access to us. Once you're done, drag and drop this test case to execution list. Simple. Right click here, create one execution folder. The folder 2 is created. Then come back to your test case. Select your test case. Drag and drop this test case to execution and drop into execution. Now, once you drop here, simply run option. Just select the test case and then run. Now I'm running the scenario in an execution level team. Execution is the final run of our script. Once we executed successfully, see the log data is stored here. This is the log data. You can report this one. Come here, right click. You can see print report. These 4 are the default formats, the report formats given by Tricentis company. If you want to create your customized report, also possible. Detailed log.
Hello.
Yes, Tim, 1 second. The report is exporting. Yeah, here you can see different formats of reports. Pick any of these formats. I just use the PDF format right now. Click on start. So enter the format name. I'm just using Amazon search save. I don't want any failed scenarios. Tim, click on OK. Yes. The development, what are the development we are just done in the test case section? It will show you that flow here. Execution test report. Execution summary. What are the execution time? What is the started time and ended time? Executed by whom? And what is the status of it? This is the exporting a report in a test case section. Clear?
Don't we get along with screenshots?
If you add a screenshot option, then only you'll get a screenshot options.
Okay.
So in Tosca, we have a possibility to add the screenshots and you can take MP for recording also, execution flow recording. Team clear? Any questions so far? This is the way we work in Tosca. So are you guys having any difficulties here, like any kind of coding and all? Is there anything is required? No, very simple. Interacting with application and just enter the data, which data you want here. That's it. Any questions, team?
Yes, Anisha, do you have ample opportunity for Tosca or playwright, Anisha? Like,
Both we have.
okay,
See, both we have. Playwright itself, it is a open source. But Tosca, it is a paid one. But we have a lot of features in a Playwright and a Tosca. Each and every automation tool, they have their own features, team. Okay. Based on the client specification, they may pick any one of these.
okay. So, if we learn this Tosca, we have multiple opportunities in the market, right? Current market.
Yes. Yes, team. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions, team?
Yeah, Anusha, is there any specific laptop configurations for the Tosca Commander run? Is it i3, i5? Any?
Windows 10 is perfectly fine. Windows 10 or 11 and any processor is fine. The main thing is here only the RAM, 8 GB RAM, minimum 8 GB RAM. Maintain minimum 8 GB RAM. Hard disk, SSD, anything is fine, but maintain minimum 8 GB RAM in your laptop. Okay?
Hi, Anusha. You done there?
Yes, Tim, please go ahead.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. What are the timings actually? What is the schedule of this trainings?
The timings is 8 to 9. Starting 2 days, we do have a classes at 9 to 10. Okay. Later, we can join into the 8 to 9 slot.
8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Right?
No, AM.
AM. Okay. Every day.
Every day.
Do you
And for
have
how many
any
days?
evening slots?
The evening slots, I'm not sure. I'll just check with admin team. Okay.
How many?
And 1 hour duration every day?
Daily 1 hour. 1 hour to 1.5 hours. That's it.
And weekends, like, do you take until Saturday or like both Saturday and Sunday or holidays?
Saturday, it's a doubt session only. What are the things we discuss for Monday to Friday? We have a 1 round doubt session in a Saturday. Like kind of walkthrough. That's it.
Okay.
How many days, Anisha?
So completely 60 days time day.
60 working days.
Yes.
Anisha, tomorrow session, will you tell installation as well, right?
Yes, tomorrow I'll show you how to do the installations and all in tomorrow's session. Okay. Tomorrow also we had a session at same time. Okay, 9 to 10. Please join. Tomorrow completely I'll explain
Okay.
the entire architecture of Tosca and all. Okay. Any other questions, team?
Anusha, I have some personal questions. Like, if you could able to stay for 5 more minutes after this, I would like to show you something.
Sure.
I mean, if you don't have any other things to do.
Sure, definitely I'll wait here. Thank you, team. Thank you so much for all. If you don't have any questions, you can drop off. Thank you very much for joining today's demo session. We can connect tomorrow at same time.
Thank you. Sure.
Anusha, like one small note, like for 90 days notice period, and if we put Tosca experience in resume, will we get calls for 90 days notice period in the market now?
9 years.
Hello?
Saujanya, your voice is
Yeah,
very
yeah.
slow.
Okay. So, Anusha, we are having 90 days notice period, right? Like for 90 days notice period and with putting Tosca experience in resume, do we get ample opportunities?
Yes, we can. But the thing is, 90 days, the no company is accepting. But you may get product-based companies offers. They may release, they may accept at least 60 days of notice period.
Okay. Like, how do we handle that,
So
Anusha, if
any
you have
kind
any
of company team right now, if you are working any kind of technology, if you want to try opportunity with 30, 90 days of notice period, no company will hire us, right?
Okay.
Okay. That is a fact. We know, everyone knows. Even the HR also, they always look for the immediate joiners only.
Yeah, but we cannot resign without getting job also. So we
Exactly.
are
That is the main point. We cannot resign without offer. I agree that. Okay. But the thing is, initially, I'll tell you this entire guidance to you later, Sojanya. Hmm?
okay, sure, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Tim. Thanks to you all for your time.
So,
Thank
Anusha, we have classes from Monday to Friday only, right? Or on weekends also we'll be having classes.
Monday to Friday only, weekends only, adult sessions. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Anusha.
Thank you.